Available in 5 new aluminum colors: Midnight, Starlight, Green, Blue, and Product Red. It will also be available in silver, graphite, and gold stainless steel, as well as natural and space black titanium. Apple Watch Nike models feature a new graphic sport loop and Nike Bounce watch face, and there's a new Apple Watch Hermes Circuit H leather band with matching face, plus an elegant new Doublet Tour band. Now, of course, bands are a great way to customize your Apple Watch for any activity or occasion, so we've added new colors across our most popular styles, and Series 7 is compatible with all existing bands. We've designed Series 7 with the environment in mind. All aluminum watch cases are made with 100% recycled metal, and all magnets in Series 7 use 100% recycled rare earth elements. So here's our 2021 Apple Watch lineup. Series 3 remains at the great entry price of $199. Apple Watch SE starts at $279, and Apple Watch Series 7 starts at $399. Series 7 will be available later this fall, and we can't wait for you to try it. Here's another look at some of the amazing capabilities of Apple Watch Series 7.